So students, now we are with question number 9. Okay, we will solve question number 9 in this video of exercise 1.1. So what is question number 9? Let us see. Use the sign greater than, less than or equal to in the box to make the statements true. Means we have to put greater than और less than और equal to sign, है ना. हमको यहाँ पे देखना है कि क्या ये इससे greater है या less है या equal है. Like this we have to check. Okay, so let us see the sum one by one. मैं आपको solve भी करके दिखा रहा हूँ. So your A part is what? Your A part is -8 plus -4 is greater than or equal to or less than -8 minus -4. Let us check it. Okay, हम इसको देख लेते हैं. Now see, if you open the bracket, then you will get what? This has -8 and plus into minus will be what? Minus. Okay, so this will be what? -8 and -4. Now since signs are same, दोनों के साइन सेम है इसलिए ऐड हो जाएंगे. ओके, सो 8 plus 4 will be what? 12. ओके, एंड साइन ऑफ ग्रेटर नंबर, सो ग्रेटर नंबर between 8 and 4 is what? 8. ओके, 8 और 4 में से ग्रेटर नंबर कौन सा है? 8. एंड विच इज़ द साइन इन फ्रंट ऑफ 8? माइनस. सो यहाँ पे माइनस आएगा. इज दैट क्लियर? नाउ लेट अस मूव ऑन टू दिस पार्ट. -8. नाउ because if we multiplying same sign, because minus into minus both signs are same, so result will be plus. Okay, that all we have learnt in our previous class. So both signs are now what? Both signs are different, so we will subtract 4 from 8. Okay, so 8 minus 4 will be what? 4. And sign of greater number, so since 8 is the greater number, so -4 will be there. Okay, so now कौन बड़ा है? -12 इज ग्रेटर और -4 इज ग्रेटर? -4 इज ग्रेटर. ओके, सो वी विल पुट a sign like this, that -12 is less than -4. Okay, so this means what? Greater, -4 is greater than -12. तो हमारा यहाँ पे फर्स्ट ब्लॉक में क्या आएगा कि -8 plus -4 is less than -8 minus -4. Is that clear? Now we are moving on to our next part. अब next part देख लेते हैं क्या है. Next part is what? -3. Okay, this is our second part, part B. -3 plus 7 minus 19, है ना, and 15 minus 8 plus -9. So let us do this sum. Okay, इसको check कर लेते हैं. Now if you solve first these two terms, अगर आप इन दोनों टर्म्स को देखें, सॉल्व करें, तो क्या आपको मिलेगा? यू कैन डू इट लाइक दैट ऑल्सो, कि आप माइनस साइन को पहले एक साथ कंसिडर कर लो. ओके, यू कैन डू इट लाइक दैट ऑल्सो. ओके, या तो आप ऐसे भी कर सकते हो जैसे मैं अभी आपको बता रहा हूँ. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल व्हाट वी विल डू, हम यहाँ पे क्या कर सकते हैं? नाउ सी, लेट अस टेक सेम साइन से सेम, है ना, मतलब सेम साइन को पहले हम एक साथ ले लेते हैं. सो व्हाट आर, यहाँ पे माइनस साइन है और यहाँ पे भी माइनस है. ओके, सो इफ़ वी सॉल्व द ब्रैकेट यू विल गेट व्हाट? -3 plus 7 and -19. इज दैट क्लियर? नाउ वी टेक numbers of same sign together, so -3 minus 19 जो है उसको एक साथ लिख सकते हैं. Okay, now since both signs are same, so 19 will be added to 3, so 19 plus 3 will be what? 22. Okay, now sign of greater number हम लगाते हैं. so 19 is greater number और 19 के आगे माइनस साइन है, so माइनस साइन will be there, so -22 plus 7. now both signs are what? Both signs are opposite, so 22 will be subtracted by 7, है ना. हम 7 माइनस करेंगे 22 में से, so 22 minus 7 will be what? 15. okay, and sign of greater number, so -15 will be your final result. now if you solve this, then again open the bracket, 15 minus 8 and plus into minus will be what? Minus. so this is what? -9. now again कंसिडर these two terms, these are terms of having same sign, है ना, माइनस साइन दोनों में है, so these will be added. तो ऐड होके क्या मिलेगा? 8 plus 9 will be what? 17. And sign of greater number, 9 is greater number, so minus sign आएगा. Okay, now 15, in front of 15 plus sign is there, and in front of 17 minus sign is there. This means this is plus 15 and this is minus 17, right? So now since signs are opposite, therefore we will subtract 15 from 17. So 17 minus 15 will be what? 2. And sign of greater number, so minus. Is that clear? Now यहाँ पे हमें क्या मिला? -15 और यहाँ पे मिला है -2. So we can write that -15 is less than -2, right? -15 जो है वो -2 से less है. So what will be the answer in this block? Again less than sign. So -3 plus 7 minus 19 is less than 15 minus 8 plus -9. Is that clear? Now we move on to our part C. हम C part देखते हैं. What is our C part? 23 minus 41 plus 11. Okay. What is our next part? हमारा next part है, our next part is 23 minus 41 plus 11 and 23 minus 41 minus 11. So let us see. Now see. Here again 23 के आगे प्लस है, 11 के आगे प्लस है. So we will take same sign together. Okay, numbers having same sign together. So 23 plus 11 we have taken together and minus 41 हम separate ले सकते हैं. So when you add 23 by 11, okay, 23 से 11 को आप add करोगे, so 23 plus 11 will be equal to what? 34. Is that clear? Okay, and minus 41. So what is 34 minus 41? You will subtract 34 from 41. So you will get what? 7. Is that clear? Is that clear? Now, which sign should be there in front of 7? Minus, because 41 is greater number. Okay. Now, if you solve this sum, then both these two terms are what? Same, है ना? Means same sign. These two terms are having same sign, minus 41 and minus 11. So both the numbers will be added. So 41 plus 11 will be equals to what? 52. Is that clear? And sign of greater number, so 23 minus 52 हो जाएगा ये. Okay, so now we will subtract 23 from 52. So when you subtract 23 from 52, 1 will be carry over and this will become 4. Okay, so now what? 9 will be here, 12 minus 3 will be 9, and 2 minus 4 minus 2 will be what? 2. So here this will be what? 29. And since 52 is greater number and sign in front of 52 is minus, so we will put minus sign here. This means what? Now which is greater? Again you can see that here minus 7 is greater than minus 29. So you will put sign like this. Okay, because minus 7 is greater than minus 29. So we will put sign this greater. This means 23 minus 41 plus 11 is greater than 23 minus 41 minus 11. Is that clear? I hope आपको ये अच्छी से clear हो रहा होगा. Now we move on to our next part, part D. हमको D part क्या given है? D part is given to you as 39 plus minus 24 minus 15 and 36 plus minus 52 minus minus 36. So let us solve this sum. Okay, now see. Again 39 can be written as it is. Now if you multiply plus with minus, so both the signs are opposite. Okay, so minus will be there, है ना? हमने previous classes में पढ़ा है. And if you open this bracket, so again minus 15 will be there. Now 24 and 15 are having same sign, so 24 and 15 will be added. So जब आप 24 और 15 को ऐड करोगे, so you will get what? 39. Okay, and sign of greater number minus will be there. So what is 39 minus 39? 0. Is that clear? Now we move on to our next part. Now if you open the bracket, this will become 36. Now plus into minus will be what? Minus 52, and minus into minus is what? Plus 36. Is that clear? Now 36 plus here, plus is also there in both 36 in front of 36 plus sign is there, so you will take 36 plus 36 as together, and minus 52 you can take separate. Okay, so if you add 36 and 36 you will get 72. Okay, and you are subtracting this with what? 52. Now if you solve 72 minus 52, if you subtract 52 from 72 you will get your answer as 20. So here answer is coming 0. Okay, here answer is coming 0 and here answer is coming 20. So which is greater? 20 is greater than 0. Okay, so this means you will write your, you will put this sign. Okay, this means what? 39 plus minus 24 minus 15 is less than 36 plus minus 52 minus of minus 36. Is that clear? I hope आपको ये clear हो गया होगा. Now we move on to our last part. Okay, now we are moving on to our last part. So what is our last part? Let us write it down again. Okay, सी आई एम सॉल्विंग ईच एंड एवरी पार्ट. मैं हर पार्ट आपको इधर सॉल्व करके दिखा रहा हूँ. ओके, द ओनली थिंग इज दैट आई एम पुटिंग जस्ट अ साइन ओवर हेयर. ओके, रेस्ट ऑफ ऑल आई एम डूइंग फॉर यू. नाउ minus 231 plus 79 plus 51 on one side and minus 399 plus 159 plus 81 on other side. Now see, let us see. See here the two terms are having same sign. Okay, so this will be added. तो ये जो दोनों ऐड हो जाएंगे. तो if you add 79 and 51, so this will be 9 plus 1 will be what? 10, and 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 plus 5 will be what? 13. So your result here will be 130. Is that clear to you? Okay, I hope आपको ये चीज़ clear हो गई होगी. Now if we solve with this further, जब हम इसको further solve करेंगे, so what will you get? Now minus, you will subtract 130 from 231. So when you subtract 231 and 231 by 130, you will get answer as 101. आप इसको solve करेंगे, so you will get answer as what? 101. And sign कैसे decide करेंगे? Sign is decided by what concept? Sign of greater number, है ना? 231 is greater than 130, hence sign of greater number we will put, so minus sign will be there. Okay, so now moving on to our this part, again 159 and 81 are having same sign, so this will be added. 159 and 81 gets added, so this will be what? 10. Then this is 6. 6 plus 8 will be what? 14, and 1 plus 1 2. So this will be what? Minus 399 plus 240. Is that clear? So now we have to subtract. Okay, we have to subtract 240 from 399. So let us subtract this. So 9 minus 0 will be what? 9. Okay, 9 minus 4 will be what? 5, and 3 minus 2 will be what? 1. So answer will be your what? 159. But sign of greater number should be there, so we will put minus sign over here, because 399 is having negative sign and 399 is greater than 240, hence we have put what? Minus sign here. So which is greater, minus 101 or minus 159? Obviously minus 101 is greater than minus 159. So this means what? We will put greater sign here. Is that clear? This means minus 231 plus 79 plus 51 is greater than minus 399 plus 159 plus 81. Okay, I hope आपको ये क्लियर हो गया होगा सम. ओके, सो this means in this video we have completed all the 5 parts. Okay, and I have explained with the help of calculation each and every part कि इसमें कौन सा साइन आएगा और क्यों आएगा, है ना? So what sign will come and why it will come, I have explained each and every part to you. Okay, so from next video we will be doing our next sum. Thank you.